How to fix apps not opening crashing on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will teach you how to fix apps not opening crashing on Mac. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the system settings on your Mac. On the system settings, go to General. On the General, go to Software Update. Here, make sure that your software is up to date. If any update is available here, update it. Method 2. Force quit application. For that, tap Apple logo at the top left corner of the page. On the Apple logo, tap Force Quit. Now you can force quit all applications here one by one. After force quit all the application, you can now open your applications. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.